Hi guys, you're welcome to this episode. And in this episode, we want to show you why Bola Ahmed Tinubu will continue to embarrass Igbo. But before then, we want you to listen to a short video that we're about to play for you. And after that, we'll now come again.
Tinubu's disdain for Ndị Igbo continues. Tinubu's disdain for Ndị Igbo continues. But this one seems to be the land. This is the height of it. Coming to Enugu to tell Ndị Igbo. Let me play it for you to see.
Let's continue what's trending with reactions trailing comments made by the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who during a rally in Enugu State urged his supporters in the APC to work hard rewarded, not even with a soaked slice of bread. The comment, however, has generated several reactions, with some accusing the former Lagos State governor of disrespecting the Igbos. Let's take a listen before we take some reactions.
The Deputy National Chairman for the South. Well, you have represented well the chairman of our party, national chairman. But nobody will give all of you any credit. You are working hard, you are sweating now. We want you to sweat well for this party until you deliver victory. We will not give you but a slight clap or a soaked slice of bread.
Well, all right.
You're welcome back. Now, the statement that Okechukwu Igbo made recently is a disgraceful statement. He urged Peter B, can you imagine? He asked Peter B to stop or drop his ambition in favor of Bola Tinubu